السلام عليكم، أهلا وسهلا بكم. Ahmed and Sarah are meeting in an international conference. They are about to introduce themselves to each other. تخيل كده إن أنت بتشارك في مؤتمر عالمي قابلت فيه شاب اسمه أحمد وبنت اسمها سارة، كل واحد منهم عايز يقدم نفسه للتاني. There are some very specific things which you may be in need for in order to introduce yourself. في بعض الأشياء ممكن تكون محتاجها عشان تقدم نفسك للآخر. زي مثلا some expressions in order to break the ice. You may also need to tell about your name, your age, your education, your job, your family, your best friends, and your favorite time. Many things which you might be in need for speaking about in order to tell the other people in front of you about yourself. الحاجات ديت هتساعدك انك تقدم نفسك بالشكل المطلوب وتكسر الجليد بينك وبين الاشخاص الغير معروفين بالنسبة لك او اللي لسه اول مرة تقابلهم. تعالوا مع بعضنا كده نتعرف عليهم واحد واحد. اول شيء لازم تعمله هو breaking the ice، تكسر الجليد. ازاي تمهد للمحادثة بينك وبين شخص انت اول مرة تقابله. In this step you might say words like hi, hello, and then you can ask a question such as how are you, how are things, or how's life. طبعا الكلام ده if you are introducing yourself to a foreigner or شخص أجنبي. إنما if you are speaking with an Arab person, it's highly recommended to start with the Islamic way of greeting other people. ابدأ بتحية الإسلام وهي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Number 2, you need to tell about your name. One of these ways. My name is, I am, or this is. يعني مثلا you can say I am Khalid. My name is Khalid. Or you can say this is Khalid. بعد كده الخطوة الثالثة you're gonna tell about your age. In this area you can say I am مثلا 25 years old. ممكن كمان تزيد عليها السنة اللي اتولدت فيها. على سبيل المثال ممكن تقول I was born in 1994 ولا I was born in 1775. تعالى كده نشوف سارة ممكن تقول ايه في حالة تقديمها لنفسها من خلال النقاط اللي احنا ذكرناها لغاية دلوقتي.
Hi. How is everyone? My name is Sarah. I am glad to be here. I was born in 2000, which means I am 21 years old.
الجزئية اللي هتيجي بعد كده speaking about your nationality, speaking about your place of birth and place of living. هي الجنسية، مكان الميلاد، مكان المعيشة. بالترتيب كده ممكن نقولهم كالتالي. حب تقول عن جنسيتك ممكن تقول I am Egyptian, I am Jordanian, I am سعودي. بالنسبة للplace of birth أو مكان الميلاد ممكن تتكلم عنه بالجملة ديت. I was born in Cairo. I was born in Alex. I was born in Washington. I was born in Amman. I was born in Riyadh and so on. لو مكان العمل بيختلف عن المكان اللي اتولدت فيه ممكن تكمل جملتك وتقول but I live and work in وتقول بعدها المكان. على سبيل المثال but I live and work in جدة. I live and work in أسوان. I live and work in New York and so on. نروح بعد كده على الجزئية اللي هتيجي وهي جزئية what do you do العمل، ودي مفيش أبسط منها. يعني مثلا لو أنت طالب هتقول simply I'm a student, or you can say I'm a teacher, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, I'm an accountant and so on. بعد كده ممكن تتكلم عن المؤهل الدراسي أو your education. You can use these expressions such as I graduated at the University of وتقول اسم الجامعة. ممكن تقول مثلا I graduated at Cairo University. I graduated at University of Toronto. I graduated at Amman University and so on. Then you can speak about any further information about your education. لو عندك معلومات زيادة ممكن تقولها، لو عندك مؤهلات زيادة ممكن تقولها. على سبيل المثال لو انت عندك ماستر ديجري ممكن تقول I have a master degree in زائد الميجر اللي انت بتتكلم عنه او درسته. زي مثلا لما تقول I have a master degree in finance. I have a master degree in teaching and so on. طبعا الكلام ده هيزيد لو انت عندك PhD او دكتوراه وبالتالي هتقولها I have a PhD in finance. I have a PhD in accounting and so on. لو كنت طالب بقى بكل بساطة فانت ممكن تقول I'm a college student. I'm a college student. ممكن تغيرها وتقول I am a university student. بعد كده تتكلم عن الميجر اللي انت بتدرسه او مجال دراستك. ممكن تقول مثلا my major is finance. My major is education. My major is psychology and so on. تعالى كده نشوف سارة ممكن تقول ايه في حالة تقديمها لنفسها من خلال النقاط اللي احنا ذكرناها لغاية دلوقتي.
Hi. How is everyone? My name is Sarah. I am glad to be here. I was born in 2000, which means I am 21 years old. I am American. I was born in New York, but I live and work now in Miami. I am a lawyer. I graduated at Stanford University. I have a master's degree in international law.
بعد كده you may speak about your favorite things. بعد كده ممكن تتكلم عن الأمور المفضلة بالنسبة لك. وهنا أنت ممكن تتكلم عن أكتر من حاجة. You may speak about your favorite book. You may speak about your favorite sport, about your favorite color, about your favorite movie, anything which you like. In that situation you can say, my favorite book is, my favorite color is, my favorite movie is, and so on. بعد كده هنروح للفري تايم لما تحب يتكلم وتخبر اللي قدامك about your free time. What do you like to do during your free time؟ الأشياء اللي بتحب تعملها أثناء أوقات الفراغ. وده جزء مهم جدا بالنسبة لك in order to make the person with whom you are speaking get more familiar with you. الجزء ده مهم جدا بالنسبة لك لأنه بيساعد اللي قدامك يشعر بالقرب منك. في الحالات أنت ممكن تقول in my free time I like وتكمل بيت الجملة. زي مثلا لما تقول in my free time I like to play. In my free time I like to watch movies. In my free time I like to play the piano. You can also use another expression such as when I'm free. When I'm free I like to watch a movie. When I'm free I like to sit with my brothers. When I'm free I like to read a book. بعد كده هنروح على نقطة مهمة جدا وهي speaking about your family. And in here I would like to give you a piece of advice. عايز اديك نصيحة مهمة جدا لما احب يتكلم عن الأسرة. Do not tell secrets. Do not give very specific information. Just tell some general information about the family, such as I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. You can also speak about what your father does and what your mother does, such as my father is a doctor and my mother is a housewife. Or you can say my father is an engineer and my mother is a teacher. Do not give very specific information. لا تقول أسرار، قول بس معلومات عامة in order to tell the one in front of you that you are safe with him or with her. آخر شيء ممكن تتكلم عنه هو future plans أو الخطط المستقبلية. وهنا بسيطة جدا you're gonna tell the one in front of you about what you would like to do in the future. Such as saying, in the future I would like to travel to other new places. In the future I'm planning to do something. In the future and so on. You can use this expression in order to tell about your future plan. Again, you can say, in the future I would like to visit new other places. In the future I would like to get a master's degree. In the future I would like to learn a new thing in my life, and so on. تعال بقى دلوقتي نشوف سارة وأحمد ممكن يقدموا بنفسهم لبعضهم إزاي.
Hi. How is everyone? My name is Sarah. I am glad to be here. I was born in 2000, which means I am 21 years old. I am American. I was born in New York, but I live and work now in Miami. I am a lawyer. I graduated at Stanford University. I have a master's degree in international law. My favorite color is red, and my favorite movie is City of Angels. In my free time, I play some piano or go swim. I have 1 little sister and an older brother. My father is also a dentist, and my mother is an engineer.
Hello Sarah. Nice to see you. This is Ahmed. I am 30 years old. I am Egyptian. I was born in Cairo, and I live and work there. I am an accountant. I graduated at Cairo University, and I have a PhD degree in finance. My favorite color is red, too. But my favorite movie is Fast and Furious. In my free time, I play some video games with my friends. I have 2 little brothers, but I have no sisters. My father is a police officer, and my mother is a housewife.
انتهينا النهارده من درسنا وهو how to introduce yourself to other people. انتهينا من درسنا النهارده وهو عبارة عن كيفية تقديم نفسك للآخرين. الشيء الأخير اللي عايز أقوله لك إن أنت you're not limited to anything which I have just explained in our lesson. You may add new things or you might exclude some other things. ده ممكن تضيف حاجات تانية حابب تتكلم عنها، وممكن تشيل من اللي انا قلته بعض الاشياء اللي انت مش حابب تتكلم عنها. بكده درسنا النهارده انتهى. اشوفكم في دروس قادمة باذن الله. السلام عليكم.